Wala naman po attempts na harangan yung Blue Ribbon investigation.
Actually po, ang humaharang, to tell you the truth, honestly po, yung kabila eh. It's not us po sa majority. I will not name names po, pero the truth of the matter is, and real talk lang po, sila na po ngayon nakikiusap na wag na hutapin ituloy yung Blue Ribbon. And I was saying, kung gano'n, dapat kayo magsabi niyan. I mean, kayo yung inudyok-udyok niyo itong leadership ni Senator Win, pati ako, sasabihin nyo, tinatago namin. Yung pala, may plano sila, wag na raw ituloy muna, wag na raw ituloy yung Blue Ribbon hearing. Kaya sabi ko, ano ba talaga? You have to explain it to the media, you have to explain it to the public, na kayo naman ang ayaw. Sila naman ang ayaw ngayon. Kaya hindi ko maintindihan eh. Ano ba talaga ang gusto nyo?
May reason po ba binigay? Bakit po ayaw na muna nila mag-Blue Ribbon daw?
Obvious.
Dahil pa patag-reasons.
Obvious. Alam mo kung sinong pinapa-investigat, sino tinutumbok na Senator Lacson.
Thank you guys.